GST, also known as the Goods and Services Tax, is an indirect tax which has replaced many indirect taxes in India, such as the excise duty, VAT, services tax, etc. It was passed in the Parliament on 29th March 2017 and came into effect on 1st July 2017. It is a single domestic indirect tax law for the entire country. Hey guys, this is Simran from ClearTax and today we'll talk about GST on mobile phones. But before we begin, do not forget to press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. So let's begin. The rate of GST on mobile phones and accessories were increased to 18% from 12% with effect from 1st April 2020 at the 39th GST Council meeting. This has increased the prices of mobile phones. Before GST, excise and VAT were charged on mobile phones. The VAT rates varied from state to state, so it was difficult to set a uniform price for the mobile phone. Under GST, the tax rate is the same across the entire country and thus a uniform price can be set for a mobile phone. Let's check out the prices before levying GST on mobile phones as compared to the levy under the GST regime. The implementation of GST has decreased the price of the mobile phone in the above case due to the elimination of the tax on tax effect. GST has served as a major transformation tool for the Indian economy by bringing all the goods and services under a single taxation system. It is also applicable on all mobile phones, whether it is a smartphone or a feature phone, without exemption. For example, if Mr. X purchases a mobile phone from a dealer located in the same state or union territory, he will have to pay CGST at 9% and SGST at 9%. Whereas, if he purchases a mobile phone from a different state or union territory, he will have to pay IGST at 18%. Example, an e-commerce vendor. Under GST, composite supply is a supply comprising two or more goods or services which are naturally bundled and supplied with each other in the ordinary course of business. Such items cannot be supplied separately. In this case, the mobile phones are usually supplied along with a charger and a USB cable, which is essential for using the handset. So, the GST rate that applies to the mobile phone will also apply to the charger and the USB cable. First, value of supply. Under GST, the value of supply is the money that the seller collects from the buyer to sell goods or services. In the case of related parties, GST is charged on transaction value. Transaction value is the value at which unrelated parties would transact in the normal course of business. The second one is exchange offers. Dealers of smartphones often come up with exchange offers whereby the customers can get new handsets in exchange for old ones and they just need to pay the differential sum. This reduced sum was not taxable under the VAT regime. But under GST, barter is included in the definition of supply and therefore even the reduced price is taxable. For example, where a new phone is sold for Rs 20,000 in exchange for an old phone, the price of the new phone without exchange is Rs 25,000. In this case, GST will be charged on Rs 25,000. The third one is exclusion of discounts. Trade discounts, quantity discounts, are a part of normal trade and commerce. Therefore, discounts recorded on the invoice are excluded while determining the taxable value. Discounts are excluded from determining taxable value if the below two conditions are met. First, discounts are reflected in relevant invoices, and second, ITC should be reversed on the discount received as per credit note. Earlier, the mobile phones were exempted from 10% social welfare surcharge, but the union budget has reimposed social welfare surcharge on imported mobile handsets over and above existing 20% basic custom duty, making them costlier than the locally made ones. Value of goods for calculating IGST is equal to assessable value of goods plus basic custom duty plus any other duty chargeable on goods under any law for the time being in force. This has increased the price of importing mobile phones in India. The introduction of GST has brought uniformity in product prices all over the country. Under the VAT regime, mobile phones were taxed at 5% along with 1% excise duty. In some states like Gujarat, the tax rate was as high as 14%. Therefore, anyone would purchase from selected dealers where the price was low. But under GST, 18% tax is charged all over the country. However, higher tax rates under GST has made the price of mobile phones a bit expensive, yet with the benefit of removing cascading effect on taxes. The implementation of GST has definitely made the taxation system simple and hassle-free. Well, this was it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the video and comment below if you have any doubts. We will try to reply to it as soon as we can. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos like these. Till then, goodbye and take care.